So Jack's question is, for something like this, for something like hardware, the visceral experience of actually interacting with it in real life is just so much better than seeing it on a website. And his question is, I imagine this question kind of generalizes to hardware in general. How do you best present the use cases for something like Mirror, a hardware thing on a website?
It's a great question. I mean, look, at the end of the day, I can try to pontificate here, but the nice thing is we could just look at the experts and mirror what they do. This company has almost become iconic, well, both funny ways and practical ways for how well they do this. The website will load at some point this year. At the end of the day, like, although Peloton is often mocked for placing people in extremely upscale homes, showing their homes more than their workouts, you kind of get a very cool sense of like, you can visualize yourself on this product and it's very aspirational. And I imagine you could probably do something similar with the mirror. People looking at it, I don't think you need to overthink this and go like whole like Uniqlo VR, visualize it in the real world stuff. I just think getting together a bunch of good looking friends and having them literally stare at the mirror, I think would make for a fine landing page.